Hello, it's Friday the 10th of May 2013, it's 6:26 PM and over summer tonight now there's quite a heavy shower, so filming it for you.
The Swan campus is just over there, you might be able to see them, and Dan Bryn has been brilliant on the water, literally controlling this whole area. I'm afraid he just swanned off in that direction at the moment though, probably to a warmer climate. Speaking of warmer climate as well, we had some friends visit us today, all the way in Falmouth, and they've come from Fort Lauderdale. They boarded the cruise liner ship, the Princess Caribbean, from Fort Lauderdale in Florida, probably warmer conditions there, and arrived in Falmouth earlier this afternoon. The grey leaden skies and also some outbreaks of rain. I'm pretty sure they're probably quite disappointed with the weather conditions, and if you're staying around for the weekend, well, it's going to be pretty unsettled here in the future. Well, tonight it's going to remain fairly
Thunderstorms to the northeast.
More showers coming in with a fairly brisk
Cornwall.
wind, quite squally at times as well. And also those showers possibly turning on the thundery side from time to time. Temperature-wise, no trouble really.
Possibly here as well.
At the very worst. It starts off tomorrow on an unsettled note. Across eastern counties, there'll be outbreaks of rain developing, quite showery in nature.
Heavy showers tomorrow morning.
Into the afternoon, probably pepping up slightly, and also some of the
Thundery showers tomorrow afternoon.
Can't rule out the odd rumble of thunder. Temperatures, I think at the very best, probably reaching 12 or 14 degrees Celsius, but obviously dipping off during these wet periods and also those breathing conditions. Coming further southwest into Devon, Cornwall and the Isles of Scilly, it's going to be a very similar start to the day, with some bright and sunny breaks developing, but also a few showers coming in, and again during the afternoon, those showers tending to be a little bit more organised. Those bright and sunny spots are likely to actually trigger a few more showers, and again temperatures quite similar up to 14.
No thundery showers done there.
Take a look at the tide times on screen now. On the left they're going to be through much of the morning, and then on the right in the afternoon, creeping into the evening. And then looking further ahead, it's going to be a wet day for us on Sunday, particularly in the afternoon. As for Tuesday, it's going to be a sunshine and showers.
Suffering from hay fever. ITV Pollen House is sponsored by them.
With the seasonally wet and windy weather continuing over the next day. Tonight, Town and Sherborne. Standing, the rugby player who broke his neck and carried on for 16 more runs. That's by the Arctic.